We are here in Kingston, Riverside.
I can't find my eraser.
Sunrise homework too. There's a sailing boat here. There's a training here. Sailing. Where did you put it?
I put it in the bag.
Maybe inside here.
That's a.
This is what Sunrise. Can you show it your homework now? This one. Sunrise homework. Then we saw all here already in the Kingston Riverside.
Yay.
Kingston teams. And all this one we saw here.
Oh my God.
This one you use this one eraser your pencil.
I can't find.
Oh, you look, they are using the ceiling now. The children there.
My eraser.
This one is straight to Twickenham. See, there's children there using the sailing boat now.
I wanna go. They just fell in the water. Mommy, they fell in the water.
Look, see, I saw before only there.
I can't take the. I don't know the eraser because I forgot.
Erase with your pencil there. I told you. Yeah, luckily we find all here for next week homework.
Yeah. Hubby is a train one.
Mm.
Now it's time. Yay, we're finished.
We are already finished. Then now we're going home. Time to go home. At least we're already done for next week,
And
guys.
at least those kids who went in that lifeboat just got so
At least we're finished. So just we read your books. Here guys, long ano pa to guys, long walk, but we are not going. That is a sailing. Ayaw yung magtayo dyan kasi may sasakyan.
I want to go sailing.
You drop your ano?
Wait, did I close it?
Ang ganda ng weather ngayon, no? Gumanda ang weather. Put it inside. You didn't put inside. Why? Okay, let's go.
Down.
No, we are not going down. The car there. Come on, easy, don't touch it.
Mommy, that was Luficus. The least one.
Ayan guys, ang ganda ng view dito. Pabalik na kami guys kasi pauwi na kami. So, natapos na rin kami sa ano, sa homework ni Sandrine. Mayroong ano doon kasi I told you, you put inside, right? Riverside.
I would like to go.
That is need to pay. Your daddy no.
I need 50 pounds.
Ang ganda nito guys. Hintayin natin yung ano. Yung babalik yung batang nagkakayak. Stand up there, nak. We're going home na guys. Nawala na, natapos na pala yung ano, yung pagkakayak nila. Dito yan eh. That is we're not moving the boat, the house. And then you want to stay here? This is a house, look.
This is where
I think it's not a house, this is a hotel. No.
Mommy, that's where
Fitness gym.
that's That's where a seagull lives, on top of that.
Yeah.
Seagulls live on that.
Na-late na kami nakakuha ng video kanina. Hindi na ako naka-video. Hurry up! We were late.
There's even a chocolate hinge on it.
Okay, let's go.
Chocolate hinge on the other way. So it's so bad.
I need to look the receipt, guys, for my ano.
Why are we here?
Oh, ang daming ano dito, activity. This one is expensive if you live here,
There's
closer to the ano.
Mommy, look at the statue of an ant on them.
And statue. At this, I didn't think too much, guys, now. Because tomorrow is already Friday. And then I have work tomorrow night.
Yay! What time you finished, Mommy?
It's the same. Then next week, guys, I don't have time to go because back to school na. Then whole day, every day as well, I going to work. So before I going before Sunday, then because my partner is not, wala akong tiwala sa aking partner dahil wala siyang kalam-alam sa mga homework ni Santin. Ako lagi ang homework pag kaya ko, pero pag hindi ko kaya, nagpatulong ako sa ibang tao. Pero yung partner ko, hindi niya alam paano maintindihan, paano malalaman ng bata. Diba? May nag-picnic doon sa kabila. Go na, go! We're going home! I don't have money for ano pa,
What time you been to the fun fair?
fun fair. I told you, you go there with your sister. If you didn't buy your shoes, then we go to your fun fair. But you buy shoes, then no fun fair. Because I don't have money. Go. Because you buy your shoes. Hurry up, hurry up.
That's why I shouldn't buy anything.
It's itchy. It's pain. Look at this one.
Hello. Very lonely. Look, it's very lonely.
We're looking for food, guys.
Very lonely.
Sorry. We don't have food now.
Why are you looking?
It's so windy today.
He's so lonely. He just scraped his beak on
Let's
it.
gonna, because he's looking food. Oh!
Fell over. Come up from the sky.
Okay, let's go.
They came up from the sky. They came up from the sky.
Ayan. So windy na. Here only. So windy. Look. What is that? Nandun na siya sa baba.
Look at these swans. Look how much swans there are. Oh my god.
How many swan here?
One,
You count how many swan.
one, two. 7 swans.
There's a ghost as well. Come on na.
I'm a beautiful swan.
Look at the ghost.
Not a swan.
Here's 100. Goose, goose, goose. Goose. Ganda ng bahay dito. Kasi nasa ano, kasi ang mahal dito. Mahal ka dito nagtira. Home guys, Lina. Now we're going home. Thank you for watching, Lina. Hurry up.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Nagngipo, nagngaag lang. What?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Good. Bye na guys. What do you say? Cook far away. What?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Before.
So ayan guys, sa bahay na kami. So kararating lang namin. Grabe, nakakaano sa ang init. Walang hangin sa loob. So ngayon, bumili din ako ng shoes ng aking kulat guys. So isusukat niya yung shoes niya. Tingnan natin kung ano na ba sa kanya. Exactly size ba. Ayan yung kulay ng shoes niya. Ang ganda, nagustuhan ko yan guys. Ang mamahal din.
No lace.
Ang malaking tao na rin yung ano niya. So,
Wait, something inside.
pang malaking tao na yung sukat niya. No, not side, that one.
Oh.
That one is size 13. So,
Yay.
maganda yan kasi wala ng lace guys.
Yeah, fit.
So, slip on na lang. Walang lace.
Yeah, no lace.
Maano kasi, bilis madumihan yung ano niya, yung mga shoes niya.
I could use this on Sunday.
Hindi marunong magsuot, mga gamit tong batang to.
Oh my god.
Yan. It's nice.
I
Walk it. Wow. If you go out only, you wear that. But if you go to like playing to the park, it's not wearing that one. Only when you go out. It's not tight. It's not. It's fit.
Yes.
So it's 13, size 13 na guys. Malaki na yung paa ng aking kulot. Grabe. So, sad to say, babalik ako ulit bukas. Ibabalik ko yung ano, yung binili kong unang sapatos ng aking mga brother. Dahil malalaki palit maliit. Palitan natin guys ng sukat. Ayun na. Kasi next week I am already busy na before Sunday. So okay, remove it. So ayan, at least nabilhan ko din yung aking kulot ng shoes niya.
Oh my god.
Wala yung daddy niya, walang ano pakialam kasi.
1 minute. I just look at
Kasi sabihin maraming shoes kahit marumi. Nilalabhan ko naman guys, kaso ano nga, yung iba siya magsuot ng sapatos. Yung mga puti, yung puti niyang shoes ay na parang brown na. Nilalabahan ko naman, pat laging naglalaba ako. Kakapagod. Ang daming shoes na nabili ko sa kanya. Ayan, at least ito. Hopefully,
I'm making something
stay long time.
cool.
Longer for here. So, ayan lang po guys. Ang video ng aking call for today from
Cool.
Kingston. Kingston, what is name na? Kingston
Kingston Riverton.
River Thames. Ayan. Bye-bye.
Bye. Like at the bye before I hit you again.